The source options in TradingView Indicator Settings determine which price data an indicator uses for its calculation. Instead of forcing the script to work from one fixed input, the source setting lets you decide whether the indicator should calculate from open, high, low, close, or from blended price values such as HL2, HLC3, and ohlc4. TradingView's PineScript documentation describes source inputs as selections among price values like open, high, low, close, HL2, HLC3, and ohlc4, and it also notes that a source input can sometimes accept values plotted by another script on the chart. In practice, this matters because the source changes the way the indicator responds to price. If an indicator is using close, it will react only to closing prices. If it is using HL2, it is working from the average of the high and low. If it is using HLC3, it blends high, low, and close. And if it uses ohlc4, it takes all four main price points into account. That means the source setting can slightly smooth or reshape the behavior of the indicator, even when all the other inputs stay the same. This is why the source option is more than a cosmetic setting. In moving averages, oscillators, and other derived studies, changing the source can alter how quickly the line responds, how smooth it looks, and where signals appear. A source based on close may feel more direct, while a blended source such as HLC3 or ohlc4 can produce a more averaged reading of price action. The effect may look subtle at first, but it can change the overall character of the indicator. There is also another side to source inputs in TradingView. In some custom scripts, the source field can be linked to the plotted output of another indicator. That allows one script to use another script's values as its input, which can be useful when building layered workflows or combining tools more closely. TradingView's documentation specifically notes that source inputs can accept the values plotted by other scripts on the chart, which makes it possible to link indicators together. In practical terms, the source options are there to control what price stream an indicator is reading from. They help decide whether the calculation reflects a single price point or a blended version of price, and that can influence how the indicator behaves, how smooth it appears, and how its signals are interpreted.